Good morning. I wanted to come on and say hi since we haven't spoken in a while. I did grade your midterm and you did a great job on it. And I wanted to kind of lay out what's going on now in the class. So it's important you do the reading, which is for the various weeks are listed here for week 9 and 10, chapter 7, where you're going to be learning about feature content and op-eds. And week 11 is chapter 12. Excuse me, I've got a little cold. Week 13 is chapter 4. And you're going to be working on the media kit. And there's a couple of ways you need to do this. So there's a fact sheet and media advisory. That's also going to be a part of the media kit. So first you turn it in to me and I give you feedback on it, and then it goes in your final media kit. You're also going to work on a TV, radio, news release script. So this is a script, and there's information about how to do that in our text as well. So it's a script for a short piece that would be on a TV or radio or podcast episode. So I have all these different resources here for you. Those are just for you to look over. I do have an example of a radio script, so you can take a look at that and use that as a guideline, and information on op-eds, and another script example, and some information about writing for radio scripts. And fact sheets, information here, so that'll help you with your fact sheet writing. And I did put in a lecture there as well. So your final media kit is not due yet. It's the other pieces that you're working on that will then go into the media kit. So the media kit itself, let me go back up to that, will have a news release, a fact sheet, and you've written a news release prior, a media advisory, which is like an advertisement that looks like a news story, a radio script. That all will make up your final media kit. But in the meantime, you are turning in those things as separate assignments, getting feedback from me, and then they will go into the kit. So I hope that makes sense. Remember, I'm always available if you need help. You've been doing a great job working independently, but you can email or set up an appointment with me. Happy to help you. And I pray that your semester is going well. Thank you. Bye.